Hey everyone, it's Adrian over at Audi VW Fall River. I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on the difference between the lane departure warning and the lane guidance and the adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist. So real quick, over on the main screen, you're going to see the lane departure warning turned off. And you're also going to see no icon for the lane departure warning. So over here on these two stalks here, if you press and hold, you're going to see over on the main screen, the lane departure warning turns on, and then you're going to also see this icon here. That's going to let you know that the lane departure warning is on. So again, you just press and hold this button here, and you're going to see both shut off. Now, that's basically just a warning that's going to vibrate and kind of pull you back into the lane if you're not paying attention. If you actually want to use the lane guidance, all you have to do is just press that same button and turn that on and off. And you're going to see there, without lane guidance, with lane guidance, that's going to center your vehicle and basically steer for you. It's going to shut off if it doesn't feel any resistance from your hands on the steering wheel. So it's not meant for you. It's not meant for hands-free driving, but it is a really nice safety feature. So again, you press and hold for the lane departure warning on. You can drive with that on all the time. And then if you want to use the lane guidance, you just press that button again, and you can turn that on. And again, you actually feel the steering wheel kind of take over around turns. It'll center the vehicle in the lanes. And then the adaptive cruise control, you're going to see here at this bottom stalk, it's off. So all the way forward towards the console is off. And then you just pull this back, and you're going to see these red lines up here displayed. That's going to let you know that it's on. Then what you can do from there is you can change your distance after you set the speed. So the speed here is from 15 all the way up. As you can see, the speed change all the way up to 95 miles an hour. Now, I don't recommend 95 miles an hour cruising speeds, but you can cruise at that speed. So from 15 to 90. Now, again, when you change the distance, you can see the distance changed here. So right now we're cruising at a cool 17.5 miles an hour. One line here is approximately 92 feet. And they gauge this at a distance of 62 miles an hour. So 92 feet is one line. 2 lines is 118 feet. 3 lines, 164, 219, and then 328. So that's how you do that. As you're driving, all you got to do is just hit this button here for set, and you're good to go. And then you can, again, change your distance and set your speed. So again, it's Adrian over at Audi VW Fall River. I hope that helps. If you have any more questions or you're interested in any, we have a huge selection of inventory. Please feel free to reach out. Phone number here, 774-379-1745. Hope to talk to you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.